morning, guys. The day is day 3 for installation the solar system 8 kilowatt, and they start to put the wiring from up the solar panel, and they want to figure out how they will put it. They make a hole from the wall and the ceiling, so it will connect from the ceiling up to the other ceiling, then inside the home, because we have many canopy. The ceiling up, then this is the ceiling up, then canopy for the balcony, and there is another canopy. So they make a hole here in the wall to go to the sala, and another hole across the canopy. And now he is pulling the wire, and we will see how they will connect it. I think this wire, it is number 6. No, I don't think so. It is, I will ask, this is number what, but this is will take the DC electricity from the solar panel to the inverter to convert it to AC. I see again. So he is pulling the wire and connected. Yes, it will be here on the solar panel to the breaker, then to the inverter. Guys, hi again. Now they are trying to put, they call it molding, and to cover the wire going outside from, or coming outside from the solar panel, and they will stuck it along the wall until it will be stuck there, then coming down here, and then go inside and go to here. See, the guys have start to pull the wire, electric wire, so he can install it or put it inside the molding. The molding is a flexible molding, at least it can be moved. We will see after. So guys, hi again. I think we are almost finished. And update, we changed the breaker here from 4 to 6. And we will keep the pressure tank, the ref, and for aircon, but we will switch between them. So if, for example, that 2 is working, this 2 should be turned off, not from here, from the remote control. We want to turn on this for 2 bedroom. We need to switch off this to aircon, which is in the sala and in the family room. Now, yes, yeah. Walis? Okay, let me bring the walis. Mamaya, they want the walis.
Yeah,
they will bring the battery inside. They will install the battery. Battery, it is 280 ampere hours, 14.3 kilowatt, and 14.3 and 51.2 volt. Brand One Solar, I think, lithium. We will update while they are installing the battery. Put the first solar battery. I know it is, wow, huge. Now we will put the second battery, but still they will remove it from the box. Yes. This is the second. It is very heavy. I think it is 121 kilogram. It will arrive to the position.
Kapit muna.
Yes, it's very heavy. Go into the position second battery. Yes, this will be the system. Battery 1, battery 2, and still we can add another battery. We will update later. Is again high. Now the engineer tried to check all the voltage, check the connection, and again, now the engineer start to, they call it configuration, the inverter. Some setting, 100% is export. I recommend it to everybody. And guys, don't ask me what he's doing, I cannot understand. But still, we didn't connect the battery. We will talk again when we connect the battery. Hello again, almost we are done, and now the time it is almost 5 o'clock afternoon.
Yes.
We harvest 610 watt.
Okay, here.
Yes, 611 watt, and we are consume from the house. It is 967 watt. So we are taking from the solar and the battery in the same time, but from the BBCO or from the grid is zero, nothing. Thanks God. Thank you for the engineer, and we'll continue after. Again, already connect the wire from solar, and I cannot see what is it. Ah, it is behind the house. From here. Yes, it is going. Let me see. Going from here, going here, going inside, and then coming from here. This is connected to the breaker and then to the inverter. This one coming from up there. The ceiling, all the solar panel.
Okay. So thank you, sir, for choosing us to install your 8
I
kilowatt
can
solar
say
power
thank you,
system.
sir, that you accept to come from Manila to Cagayan to Bukidnon, which it is really a long trip,
Yes.
and really I appreciate that really you accept, and it's really nice. It is amazing, really.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. So before this setup, sir, when did you start and how did you find our team?
Actually, while still I am in Kuwait, before I came to Philippines, I know that already I got in some moment that I need a solar system.
Okay.
So I start to search right, left, until I find your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so
I find many YouTube channels and they are talking about solar, but when I watch you that you are talking, even if I cannot understand, but I start like to translate and to figure out, and really you are talking professional. You are like expert 100%.
100%.
More even than 100%. Your solar channel, it is talking about the specific, how to figure, how to connect the battery, how to set up the solar. It's mean that you are really expert, that if I need 6 kilowatt or 5 kilowatt or 8 kilowatt.
So it's about the sizing, the
About
size
the
of the system.
sizing and about how to connect, about the like what inside the inverter. Not only
Yes.
like, okay, we can connect it, but how to configure the inverter with the battery so
Doing
they
the
can
program.
talk. Yeah, the programming, so they can talk to each other. So
Yes.
for this, when I arrived to Cagayan de Oro, I got inside my mind that only you. Even keep my wife tell me that no, they will not come. They are in Manila.
So it just happened that at the time you called me up, we were actually doing our upgrading work in
Yeah, and
Cagayan
this
de
is
Oro.
really, I feel like I am blessed that when my wife that she said, okay, I will call after we try to call many company, which I feel in the end I am not 100% satisfied.
Why?
Why? Some of the company direct they will give the price without
It's not asking about your appliances.
nothing. Even they will not tell how many kilowatt, what is the brand of the inverter, what the brand of the battery, what the brand of the solar panel, what.
So no
Even they say
specifics.
nothing, just direct. The price is like this.
Oh,
Another
you're talking about
about the price.
Immediately the price.
Immediately, we need like this the price. Other company, they are okay. Sir, it is 6 kilowatt, but I keep telling, but sir, you should, as I know, as a knowledge, you should to come to check my really appliances if it is consumed the 6 kilowatt or maybe more or what. No, you need to make it sure that if we will come, you need to install. So I'm not satisfied. Other company, that how much is your budget?
So
My
budget.
it is for me, not if I said 1 million, if I said 500,000, or if I said 100,000. It's you need to tell me what my house really
yes,
needs.
that's the proper sizing.
Until really the day that I'm lucky and my wife she called and suddenly you said that yes, we are in Cagayan. So I took from her the cell phone and I talked with you, and even without thinking that I accept that you will come to visit.
Yes.
It's okay, the expenses, no problem, but at least I find the person that really, he will check the ceiling if it will provide how many banners,
Yes,
if it is really the direction for the sun or need anything.
Yes, the sun pot.
That's the
correct.
sun bath. When I suggest for you that Dia, and you tell me yes, this is the best inverter so far.
Yes.
The battery you give me, I said that I don't want that one battery, I want two batteries, so you
Yes.
suggest for me this one. And really, when I start to search, I find that yes, this is the most like famous or in the market now. This
Yes,
is
in the market.
like number one. So thank you, sir. I appreciate.
Welcome, sir. And as I said, I'm very thankful because you chose us to do the installation. Although in the beginning I was hesitant to, to give my quotation at the time because that was the first client we had in
Mindanao or
in Cagayan de
Bukidnon.
Oro or entire Mindanao.
Entire.
And you were the second. That Bukidnon is far from Cagayan de
Oh,
Oro.
will
I
not
don't know
be
if
the
you go
last.
down the southern part of the Mindanao. So hoping that it will not be this will not be the last.
No,
Yeah.
I hope it's God will that it will
Inshallah.
be only inshallah. It will be the beginning for new business in Mindanao.
Yes.
And really said that I appreciate that your work, your worker, the three person that here they are working really. I can say that I can rate the work not only 10 out of 10,
10 out of 10, the highest.
more even
So
because
exceeding.
exceed my expectation. Even between time to time that I'm going outside to check the wire going outside from the panel,
Yes.
they will hide it or not, even
Are you just observing the
how
where
it
they
will be, and suddenly it is disappear. And wow, the work it's really exceed. Even inside, I feel like it is really neat,
Neat.
clean, 100%, even more. The position when I asked you said you give me the advice. It's better that outside in
Yes.
the back-end area or inside, and directly tell me no inside because there's aircon, especially for the battery or for the inverter also.
Yes.
So really, I appreciate all your advice for me
And now you know how to compute the
yes, even
consumption,
yes,
how
to
many
compute,
hours.
even how the battery it will take how many hours.
Yes.
It is really nice that I love this challenge that to learn something new. So I appreciate. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful. I blessed that God sent you to me. That
Wow.
you are the one who will install.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you too. So we will just tomorrow we will just observe how much power it can get. But as I've said, we will not get or put the high amperes with this. We will just control, and then after a few hours, then I will make it higher, and I will access through online
And
tomorrow.
hope we will not stop on this one. Still, we will be in contact.
Yes, of course. Our work or our service will not just stop after the installation because we have this. This is actually the start of our maintenance service.
Not only the maintenance, even after the warranty is finished, still, sir, you are totally welcome to visit us with your family.
Wow,
Because I feel like
that's
when I
great,
keep
sir.
watching your channel from A to Z and keep repeating in Kuwait and also here, I feel like you become one of us.
Wow,
Like,
thank you.
So really, I'm interested that you are welcome anytime. You and your workers, your family, you are 100% welcome.
Well, my only one family. No extension.
No, it's okay with all your friends that you feel that you are welcome to bring them. Also, totally 100% you are welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
And about the price, I can say that. Of course, I will not say the price,
Yeah, the exact
but
amount.
the exact amount. But I can say that even say that when you tell me that, but the transport and the fee, only just because I feel that I am secure with a person that when you come here, we don't have a bank in Bukidnon.
Yes.
And I asked you that I need to pay cash. I
Yes.
cannot transfer because the contract it is 50%
Yes, upon delivery.
upon the delivery. And I asked you, sir, but can we pay cash? And you tell me, okay. And even I want to give you the money, and you tell me, no, after,
Not yet,
after,
not yet.
when I bring all the material. So you trust me. For this, I will tell you, God bless you. I
Thank you.
hope your work will rise, and rise will arrive until the end part of the Philippines.
Wow.
God bless Philippines. God
So long
bless you.
that the place, even if it's almost going south, it's safe.
It's safe, yes. So God bless you, God bless Philippines. I am really proud that, and I'm really glad for that I will stay in the Philippines. I am retired. I really love Philippines, and I love the people. I feel like always the smile on their face. So God bless Philippines. God bless you. Thank you for all the worker to help me that to install the solar system. Thank you, sir.
With that, sir,
Salamat.
I'm also, again, I'm saying thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Again.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Right? Salamat?
Yeah, that's
Salamat.
correct.
Thank you, sir.
That's
Salamat.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay.